I'm Blaine.
Shannon.
Hey, Shannon. Hey, Chris. You're welcome to watch. We just got into your main line, and right now we're in the cast iron.
Cool.
That's under your slab. Clean out is here. This is your access if anything ever goes haywire.
Okay.
Running the tub just to get some water in the line, and you're welcome to
Cool.
sort of watch it as we go. And
might as well.
you ever done this before?
No.
Okay.
No, we're first-time home buyers,
okay,
so
all
all this is completely new.
Yeah, we're just trying to make sure that, you know, when you move in, you don't have a, you know, sort of a can of worms or inherit something.
Yeah.
Just making an elbow there. This is all cast iron.
Okay.
Still cast iron. Now we're making a transition. See the cast iron, now we're going to change pipe.
Okay.
This is actually concrete tile.
Okay.
3-inch pipe here, which is like this.
Okay.
Then 4-inch, you can sort of see we got a little bit of a difference when we drop into it.
Yep.
Now we're into 4-inch. We look at your water marks. The line sort of is like a big pot. Tells you what the water's been doing, you know, as far as when everything's running. You see your water marks are right here. That tells you that your line, at least this line, is actually perfect.
Okay.
Normally when they're always backed up or they're always in crisis, you see these up in here.
Okay.
It just makes a channel mark in there.
Okay.
Sort of like on your, if you think of your fence when your sprinkler goes.
Yes. Yep.
It just makes a mark.
Makes sense.
Making another bend. These are just little offsets in the line, just from movement a little bit.
Yeah. Just bound to happen.
A little bit of root, you see right there coming in. And there's ways to treat that with a chemical.
Okay.
You know, once a year, puts a coating on, we'll burn all that out of there.
Okay.
That's really, really slight.
Yeah.
Compared to what we see.
And I can't say I'm completely surprised by that.
Well, I mean, you know, actually for the, you know, the length of this line and what we see so far, about as good as we see.
Well, that's exciting.
Biggest concern is always going to be the city connection.
Right.
Which we should be coming up on here shortly. Here comes the city. And you can see right here. There's the city connection.
Okay.
Move just a little bit. This edge right here. Over here, but it could have been that way since they built it. We were more concerned about any kind of breaks or cracks, anything splitting in there. This is where the city, let's see if we can drop it in here for you. Right there is the city running where all the neighbors tie in.
Yep.
You got a good line?
All right.
Minimal maintenance.
Awesome.
Main thing on first time home buyer, no feminine hygiene.
Right.
Paper towels, potty wipes, if you have kids wipes, anything wipey, trash can.
Yes, definitely.
Kleenex and toilet paper.
Yeah.
So.
Yep.
I'll get this rolled up. What we do is we're on memory card, so once we get done, I'll get your information as far as, you know, your email and all that, because we send you this on the computer, so you have it in your computer file, and that way you can just do that to the same whenever you go to sell. And then we're going to give you a written report on the spot when we finish up here. So, yep.
Very cool.
Anyway, you're good to go and really no concerns.
Awesome.
I'll give you a flyer on the chemical.
Okay.
Once you get settled, buy a dose. You can probably go every couple years.
Okay.
Yours is so slight, but just don't, you know, where that root's starting to get in, it'll continually try to get in. So you want to try to keep that out of there just to keep the backups.
Right.
But we'll show you how to do that.
Cool. All right.
Appreciate it. You betcha.
Thank you.
Good?
Good lines, about as good as we could expect.
What was it?
I'm sorry?
Plate,
Cast iron to concrete.